That's it. Everybody drop your guns. We need to go back to town and regroup with everyone else. I don't want anyone shooting anybody.
Okay. Man, overall this has been very unpeaceful.
Wait, where's Colleen?
Yeah! Listen here, beastie! I've caught your collaborator!
Call me, you creep!
Come out and play, or things will get messy. Whoa.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Are you okay with going along with this? I mean...
Stay down, you rat.
Can't you see this is crazy? This is like newsworthy crazy. What are you doing?
What are you gonna do about it?
Maybe more than you think. You can't get away with this.
That was a long walk.
Shall go first.
Well, Pink Rat, you were the first one to get here, so you better go first.
Oh, okay.
Hold it right there, you messed up piece of trash.
Well, if it isn't that child I knocked out earlier, are you back for a rematch?
This whole time you've been sacrificing people to this monster just so that you and your wife can live? How do you even live with yourself, man?
Under the circumstances, I'm sure you would have done the same thing.
Whatever, just tell me where he is so I can mess him up.
I told you he can't be beaten.
Blah, blah, blah. Don't trouble me with your opinions.
Fine, I'll tell you where he is. Now how I live with myself.
Don't be so mean to me. I mean, it took me a long time to find you. Pig rat!
Fool! I am immortal. I am invincible.
Creep, what are you doing with my wife?
Think about it, Bub. Why didn't that monster take this woman too when she kidnapped that pink rat?
Wow, you got a point there. You got me. I don't know.
She's working with the monster.
What?
That's ridiculous, you creep.
Everybody be quiet unless you want a gut full of lead. The beast will come to save her. And when it does, I'll be taking its head.
But wait, that's my wife. Good sir, your name is Morrison, is it not?
Well, yeah, I'm Morrison.
You wouldn't happen to be the Morrison from the TV show Monster Hunters, would you?
Wait, you watch my show?
Yeah, we all loved it, until we found out that the star was a bloodthirsty psychopathic kidnapper moron! Yeah!
Mock me, will ya? I will become the greatest monster hunter ever! Men, don't let any of them escape. You can have them squealing to the authorities.
Come on, move.
Get over there.
Now is the time. We can't let this sad TV man continue his evil ways.
Yeah! You know, you're right. He's a sad TV man.
To their positions, everyone.
Go, stop her! Save Colleen! She needs you!
That was a really dumb thing to do.
No need to worry, sir. I'm turning myself in. You don't have to worry about me. I'm not a troublemaker.
You do realize he's gonna eat us, right?
What?
Colleen? Colleen? Are you here? Can rescue you? That creepo that...
Wait, no!
Oh, it's about to get messy.
Time's up, Mortis. I'm not playing along anymore. Hurry, get out.
You know, you sure it's safe? Just get out before he comes back. Okay, I'm going.
All right, everyone. Here it comes. Take this chance and head back to your car. Be careful.
Where is she? Where's Colleen? Where are you done with her?
Back down, little man. I won't let you ruin anything.
Come on, this way, miss.
Stop it right now, everyone. I've got a gun. Behold the hour of your doom. Behold the tower of Babel. Alright, men. Make sure the rest of them are gone and stuff.
Of course it's locked. Which key is it? Which key? Which key?
Come on, everybody, out this way. File out alphabetically according to your age and gender.
Coco, please get up. I can't move you. I need you, Coco.
Oh no, the whole front of the building's on fire. We can't reach them anymore.
Which one? Which one? Wait a minute, these aren't even the keys to my holder. Well, no, I left the other ones in the hotel. Treat, I'm coming! my junk.
It really is one. Ancient one, let me use your power. So I am a better vessel than him.
Always a bother. How do you get yourself into these situations?
Look, let's just fry him like the last guy.
No, you aren't ready for that. Look, just follow my lead, okay?
Wow, you said...
I believe you have a princess to rescue. Let's not spoil this rescue with details.
Colleen, I'm here to save you. No.
He's still coming.
I know. You don't have to rub it in. I mean, I know he's coming. Why can't I just...
That was a special case. I couldn't have you die back then. This fight is different. You have to earn the right to use my power.
Yeah, whatever, you stupid hockey stick. I just better make it through this. I'll sue you. I don't know. Sue whatever you want. I don't know.
I have no idea what you're holding, mortal.
I'm pretty sure I got a good idea of what it is.
I will kill you and take what should be mine.
Treat, why won't you cut him? Treat, why won't you answer me? Treat! I'm trapped!
Oh, man. Come on, we're getting out of here.
Trees, why won't you talk to me?
Pathetic. Your bond really that weak.
Treat, what are you abandoning me for?
Come on, everybody. Look lively. Do you want to get eaten? Come on. No unnecessary belongings. We can't have overweight. Come on. Yeah, what have you been eating? Yeah. All aboard. Who wants to go home?
Go.
Everybody ready to go?
Yeah!
Where'd that old penguin guy go?
Lightning cannon, boom!
Too late for them.
No! Please, Slowpoke. Okay.
Midnight! I found him crawling around out back. Slowpoke really thrashed him good.
Did he now? Apparently it was a close fight.
Oh, Slowpoke.
Time for a reunion later. We need to get to the parking lot. The zombie said it would be safe there. Come on, everybody, let's go.
Hugo.
Do you feel it? Do you feel it, Anastasia?
Yes, I feel it too. Hugo, we're finally free. Watch where you're going! Don't scratch my baby!
Don't scratch my baby.
Shut up!
He brought that pinky. Oh, and that monstrosity of a motorhome, too.
Hello, we're here. Hello, can you see us? Hello?
Oh, Slowpoke, you were so brave.
Oh, really? Dear, I realize sometimes I say really dumb things that embarrass you, and I'm sorry. I love you.
Oh, Slowpoke, I love you too. Look at this scratch, it's huge. M1, that was very irresponsible, leaving us like that.
Probably have to get it real
M1, are you
bad.
ignoring me?
You sue him. I don't care if he's my brother or not.
I'm basically a hero. I saved him Holder, and oh yeah, there was Pink Rat. I saved her and saved him one, and everybody else, and single-handedly drug Bleak Hay to safety. And you know, I mean, you getting all this? Do you think I'm cool, dear? Am I cool?
Yes, dear, I'm sure you were wonderful.
Wait a minute, dear. Did him two really save me?
Oh, yes, dear. He was so heroic. He carried you all the way to the car.
No! That's impossible!
Oh, but it's true, Coco. It's true.
Or I would have done it too if it weren't for those meddling kids.
Is that supposed to be a Scooby-Doo reference?
Oh, lame.
Hello, everybody. I'm back here to save you. It's a good thing I got here before nothing bad happened.
D, shut up. You abandoned everyone. If I hadn't squeezed the truth out of you, the police wouldn't have come.
Oh, look, sweet nature made a toilet for me. I think I'll just sit in it. Oh, well.